Hi guys, I have 3 new Crassula plants right here. 2 of them are types of jade plant and the other one is a jade look-alike. So the first one is called Ripple Jade. The second one is a jade look-alike. And the third one is the silver dollar jade plant. So I'm repotting these plants right now. I always repot my new plants as soon as I can to get them in the right potting mix. I'm using a very fast draining potting mix. Here I'm using Bonsai Jack succulent potting mix. But you can also make your own fast draining succulent soil by mixing a succulent potting mix with perlite or pumice or coarse sand, and it'll most likely be cheaper. With Bonsai Jack, I've noticed that I need more water. I need to water my plants more because it is so fast draining. So that can either be good or bad depending on where you are and how you take care of your plants. But I've noticed that my plants need more water when I use this particular potting mix. This silver dollar jade plant has blue-green leaves that are spoon-shaped and that are thick also and have reddish edges on the tips. So this next plant right here is a type of Crassula plant and the name is right here on the screen, but it's really not a jade plant. My husband purchased it thinking it was a type of jade plant, but after researching it, I don't think it's a type of jade plant, but I could be wrong. I don't know. If you know anything about this plant, please comment down below. But it does look like a jade plant, so he purchased it. It looks a lot like the Ripple Jade plant that I'm repotting next. I can't find the common name for this plant either, but it has long green leaves and also like a reddish margins on the side, and it really does look like a jade plant. So I'm calling it a jade look-alike. From my experience, a leafy green succulent plant that looks like this is going to be easy to grow, and I have a feeling this is going to be an easygoing plant. Crassula is a large genus of succulent plants, and this includes the popular jade plant Crassula ovata. Jade plants are really easy to grow. For me, it's one of the easiest ones to grow from all of my plant collection. They're also very easy to propagate using leaf or stem cuttings and also through water propagation. This Ripple Jade plant has long, wavy, succulent leaves with reddish margins on the sides, and the color gets more intense in the sun. There's a lot of different types or varieties of jade plants. I don't know how many exactly there are out there. My husband has been getting very into bonsai lately, and jade plants are really fun to grow and cultivate and train as bonsai. So we got these little guys to grow from this tiny little pot to something larger, and hopefully to train as bonsai one day. They also sell these exact same plants in bigger pots or bigger plants from Home Depot or Lowe's, and they're all pretty affordable. But for me, it's more satisfying to get a small plant and watch it grow into a big plant or a tree. That's why I like purchasing them this small. So these plants can handle full sun or a lot of sun, but they can also be kept in partial shade. They're pretty versatile. In the shade, they're going to be greener, and in the sun, the colors will vary more and will bring out their more intense color. I have 3 or 4 different types of jade plants aside from these 3 in my collection, so I'm glad to add these in the mix. Do you have a special type of jade plant in your collection or that you're hoping to add to your collection? For me, I'm looking for the variegated jade plant. And here's a picture right here. This one is very pretty, so if I find it one of these days, I will surely add it to my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. We really appreciate all your support. Have a great day and happy gardening wherever you are.